Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a keyboard to Marvel Rivals. It is important to understand that Marvel Rivals is a team-based shooter available across multiple platforms, including personal computers, PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X and S, and PlayStation 4. However, the official support for keyboard and mouse input is specifically designed for the PC version of the game. Console players will find that their systems do not natively recognize keyboard and mouse for gameplay. For console players, it is crucial to know that using third-party keyboard and mouse adapters is strictly prohibited. These devices, such as XIM or Cronus Zen, translate keyboard and mouse actions into controller signals, which the developers consider a form of cheating. NetEase Games employs detection tools and human moderators to identify such usage. Players found violating this rule risk severe penalties, including temporary or even permanent account suspensions. The only officially supported and legitimate way to use a keyboard with Marvel Rivals is by playing on a personal computer. To do this, simply plug your keyboard into any open USB port on your desktop or laptop. Your operating system should automatically install the necessary drivers, making the keyboard ready for use. Once connected, launch Marvel Rivals, and the game will seamlessly recognize your keyboard as the primary input device for gameplay. Maintaining fair play is a top priority for Marvel Rivals developers. By restricting keyboard and mouse use to PC, they aim to ensure a balanced competitive experience for all players. Attempting to bypass these restrictions on consoles can lead to serious consequences. Therefore, to fully enjoy Marvel Rivals without risk, play on PC with your keyboard and mouse, or embrace the controller experience on your console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.